If Microsoft Edge is giving you a download error related to the network, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you 3 quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. We're going to clear the cookies and cache, turn off Microsoft Defender SmartScreen, and then restart your router if the issue is still happening. These steps are simple, beginner-friendly, and they can help when downloads are stuck, blocked, or failing in Microsoft Edge. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Now, let's get into it. The first thing you want to do is clear the cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge. This is one of the most common fixes because old browser data can sometimes interfere with downloads and cause strange network errors. To do this, open Microsoft Edge and press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard at the same time. That shortcut opens the Clear Browsing Data menu right away. Once that menu appears, make sure the time range is set to the appropriate option, and if you want a complete reset, choose All Time. Then look for Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files. These are the main items you want to remove. You can leave other items alone if you want, but clearing cookies and cache is the key step here. After selecting those options, click Clear Now. Give Edge a moment to finish, and then try your download again. If the error is still showing up, the next step is to turn off Microsoft Defender SmartScreen. Sometimes SmartScreen can overprotect downloads and cause them to fail, especially if the file or source is being flagged unnecessarily. To do this, open Microsoft Edge and click the 3-dot menu in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then click Privacy, Search, and Services. Scroll down until you find the Security section and look for Microsoft Defender SmartScreen. Turn that option off temporarily, then go back and try your download again. If the download works after disabling SmartScreen, then you've likely found the cause. Just remember, this is only a troubleshooting step, so once you're done testing, you can turn SmartScreen back on to keep your browser protected. The goal here is just to see whether the security filter is the reason your download is being blocked. If neither of those steps fixes the issue, the third thing to do is restart your router. A network problem, even a small one, can cause Edge downloads to fail or time out. Unplug your router from power, wait about 30 seconds, and plug it back in. Let it fully reconnect before testing the download again. If you're on Wi-Fi, you may also want to reconnect your computer after the router comes back online. In many cases, one of these 3 fixes will solve the Microsoft Edge download network error. First, clear the cookies and cache with Ctrl, Shift, and Delete. Then, if needed, turn off Microsoft Defender SmartScreen. And finally, restart your router to refresh the connection. These steps cover the most common browser and network causes without needing anything complicated. If this tutorial helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech fixes just like this. And if you want, check out the next video for more Microsoft Edge troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.